Introduction to Kanban boards.
But Kanban boards are a popular tool for managing tasks visually. By dividing work into columns, such as to do, in progress, and done, Kanban boards help individuals and teams track progress and stay organized. In this video, you'll learn how to create a simple Kanban board application using Python, explaining each step along the way.
Planning the application structure.
Our Kanban board application will be a simple command line program. We will use Python lists to represent columns for to do, in progress, and done tasks. Each task will be a string stored in one of these lists. The program will let you add, move, and view tasks, focusing on the basics for easy understanding.
Setting up the Python code.
Start by creating 3 empty lists: to do, in progress, and done. These lists will hold the tasks for each column. Next, define functions to add tasks to do, move tasks between columns, and display the current board status. Simple text-based input will make interaction easy and straightforward.
Adding, moving, and viewing tasks.
To add a task, prompt the user for a description and append it to the to-do list. To move a task, ask for its position in one list and transfer it to the next column, maintaining clear separation between work stages. A display function prints all 3 columns, showing the status of each task clearly.
Enhancements and Summary.
You can enhance your Kanban board by saving data to files, creating a graphical interface, or adding features like deadlines and priorities. Starting with this basic Python version builds essential skills for digital task management. Experiment and expand as you become more confident with coding and software development.